A choice made in a moment can change the future. What should we do to prevent any marine pollution accidents in an oil spill that can extend into a large-scale environmental disaster? Here is what to do to prevent pollution accidents in oil spill during fuel supply, oil spill due to fuel tank destruction caused by marine accidents, and oil spill from sinking. Oil spill while fueling. What should be done to prevent any possible marine pollution accidents? Step 1. When detecting a fuel leak from the air vent during fuel supply, first, give the bunker station the order to stop the fuel supply, then report on the accident to the captain or chief engineer. Step 2. The bunker station that received the order should request the terminal or fuel supply line to stop the fuel supply. After confirming the stoppage of the fuel supply through the figures such as the pressure gauge, close the manifold valve of the fuel oil supply line. If there is an emergency stop switch, activate the switch. Step 3. The captain on the bridge should issue an emergency alert.
실제 상황. 과연 벙커 스테이션 기름 유출 발생.
Step 4. Initiate the emergency procedures. The 6 major emergency procedures are as followed. Number 1. The captain is obligated to report the occurrence of marine pollution to the Korea Coast Guard. Call 119, the integrated report number, or notify VTS through VHF. After reporting to the relevant local Coast Guard station, contact the shipping company, ship owners, and insurance company as well. To settle the accident, ship information, summary information of the accident, weather and sea conditions at the time of the accident, the current position of the ship, status of oil loaded on the ship, hull damage and oil spill, measures taken by the ship, such essential items are reported. At the same time, everyone on board is drafted to position at the marine pollution emergency call location. Number 2. The deck or bunker station must continue to report on the status quo of the ship, including the oil leakage situation. Number 3. The chief engineer must describe to the crew the accident at the site of the spill, conduct safety training for cleanup operation, and instruct cleanup measures. Number 4. Check that scupper is sealed and whether spilled fuel has leaked to the sea or not. In case of fuel spill over the deck, carry out cleanup operation using materials such as sawdust or absorbent material. Number 5. If the spilled oil flows outboard, use pollutant control materials, including oil sorbents, to remove them. And if there is an oil fence on the ship, install it around the spill site using the rescue boat on board. Number 6. Oil spill cleanup companies can be mobilized through the shipping company based on captain's judgment, and external resources can be asked for help. In case of consigned anti-pollution vessels, KOEM is available for cleanup requests. With the help of mobilized sources, to prevent further contamination, oil spill cleanup operations such as oil fence installation should be carried out. The agent responsible for the incident bears the cost incurred mobilizing private resources. When there is an oil pollution accident, anti-pollution obligation is activated that requires the ship to take emergency measures. If emergency measures are not implemented or delayed, the Korea Coast Guard may give a cleanup order, and non-compliance with anti-pollution measures should be subject to imprisonment for 3 years or less or a fine of 30 million won or less. For our clean ocean, to prevent possible oil spillage during oil transfer, careful and cautious operation is essential. Your choice and action made in a moment can keep our marine environment clean.